In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Urban Jungle on PC. So what we need to do is go to our search bar, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe and like the video. So once you have done that, go to the Google search bar and search for Steam. We are downloading it on Steam, so search for the game and then search for Urban Jungle. So once you have done that, it will pop up in the search list as you can see, and you can download this game for only €9.95. If you don't know if you like the game, then you can download the demo to try it out for free. So once you have purchased this game, you can download it through the Steam app and it will be in your library, and then you can play the game. So I would like to thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!